After years of research and development, the HyperSeal Corporation is proud to announce a breakthrough product, HyperCopper Anti-Fouling Primer and Coating. The amazing technology found in HyperCopper effectively combats the age-old problem of marine fouling. HyperCopper is a non-toxic and non-ablative coating with a VOC-compliant solvent blend. The system is supplied in a single-component acrylic that dries within 20 minutes. HyperCopper is the first pure copper flake anti-fouling coating marketed since the development of the copper bottom or double hull that was very effective for over a century in protecting ships with wood hulls. With the advent of steel hulls, electrolysis between the steel and copper bottom ended this effective protection from marine growth and was replaced by painting ship bottoms on an annual basis from the 1880s until the present. HyperCopper contains 75% pure copper flake and has proven to be exceptionally resistant to marine growth. HyperCopper is also resistant to the accumulation of barnacles on ship propellers and can eliminate the need for physical removal of marine growth. Let's take a quick look at the HyperCopper application process, starting with the anti-fouling primer. Proper surface preparation is key for successful application. Propellers must be sandblasted with a minimum 50 to 75 micron profile to ensure proper adhesion. All surfaces must be clean, dry, and free of grease, rust, and wax. When applying, move the can with dusting strokes approximately 8 to 12 inches from the surface. Wait 30 minutes between coats and only apply enough primer for coverage. Excessive spraying could result in runs. A special note, aluminum requires a minimum of 4 coats. Bronze requires a minimum of 2 coats. Stainless steel, iron, and steel require a minimum of 2 coats. Now that we've applied the primer, let's move to step number 2, the application of HyperCopper anti-fouling coating. The application process is virtually the same as the primer. Spray 8 to 12 inches from the surface and allow 30 minutes between coats. For best results, apply a minimum of 4 coats for props and a minimum of 2 coats for all other metal surfaces. And there you have it, a beautifully coated prop that is ready to take on the stingiest barnacles and marine growth. The impressive anti-fouling properties of HyperCopper has proven to be effective over fiberglass and primed steel panels exposed to marine growth in the waters of the Salton Sea, Aruba, and on a 50-foot fiberglass powerboat in Gothenburg, Sweden. None of the panels treated with HyperCopper exhibited any growth after several months of exposure, while the uncoated side became severely encrusted with barnacles and marine growth. The copper flake coated bottom of the 50-foot boat in Sweden remained totally free of fouling. HyperCopper was invented by Colonel Ron Savin, the same man who developed the protective coatings for the B-2 stealth bomber and the space shuttle. HyperCopper is just one of many new products brought to you by HyperSeal Incorporated, the revolutionary company that continues to develop groundbreaking coatings to protect the substrates of the world. To order HyperCopper, call us anytime at the number listed on this page or visit our website at hyperseal.com.